Tired of writing extra code just to create folders? What if I told you there's a way to do it safely with just one simple line? That's where Python's os.makedirs comes in handy. Many beginners start like this. They first check if the folder exists with if not os.path.exists and only then create it. They do this to avoid an error if the folder already exists. It works, but it adds extra lines of code and repeats the same check every time you want to create a folder. Now, if you call os.makedirs directly and the folder doesn't exist, it works fine, but if the folder already exists, Python will throw an error. That's why many people write the extra if not check. The better way? Just add the parameter exist_ok equals true. This way, Python will create the folder if it doesn't exist and simply skip it without an error if it's already there. No manual checks, no unnecessary lines of code, just cleaner, safer, and easier to read. Perfect for things like log folders, download directories, or setting up project structures automatically. So next time, skip the if not check and use exist_ok equals true instead. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Python tips.